Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It is one of the most requested video from the Singapore viewers or subscribers. Many of my Singapore subscriber requested for the OCI card or how to apply for OCI from Singapore. To apply for OCI or card in Singapore, you can follow the steps and outline below. Visit the official website, that is OCI. If you can Google OCI card, you will get this official website of High Commission of India in Singapore. This website will have all the all the necessary information and instructions for applying for an OCI card. Make sure to read through the guidelines and requirements carefully. Download the OCI applications, or you can fill directly here in the OCI website itself only. Gather all the documents. Typically you will need the following documents: passport size photograph as per the specified guidelines, and copy of your current passport and previous passport if you are applicable, proof of Indian origin and connection such as birth certificate, Indian passport or document related to parents and grandparents, proof of resident in Singapore such as the employment pass and student pass or other relevant document. Any additional document mentions on the applications form or website. Make copies of all these documents for your records. Prepare the applications package with the complete applications from and all the requirement document. Visit the high commissions of India in Singapore during their working hours. The address of the High Commission of India in Singapore is as follows: High Commission of India, 31 Grange Road, and Singapore 239702. Submit your applications and package to the high designated office OCI sections at the High Commissions. So those are the brief understanding, and who are eligible that you must be knowing should be spouse should be of Indian origin, or OCI card holder, or foreign national who are married to Indian citizens or OCI card holders, or children and grandchildren of Indian citizens or OCI card holders. So these are the basic information that you must be knowing before applying for. So Singapore, there is only one address that you can visit to the OCI card of India. I am going to give a random name, okay, and female, some random date of birth. I just give it. Make sure, okay, from Singapore. Okay, not available. Here some random passport number I'll give, random date I'll give. If you have a previous passport number, you can put any professional. I'm going to choose here. Okay, mother name I put random information India, and profession I just select any government office or housewife I'll select. Okay, so father I select. I hope everything in place, and I just save and continue. If anything is mismatching, they will ask to correct us. I will correct that. Okay, Date of issue should be greater than. Okay. Okay. And save and continue. Again, you have to give all the informations here. I just filled random informations here. I'll say next. If information is wrong, it will ask for the right information. So that's all. We have filled and submitted the part A. Part B is there. So we have done a lot of videos on that, how to upload the photos and documents, that is in general. So you can watch our other videos which is already recorded. So that's all for the day, friends. Do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more updates. And if you want any help in supporting OCI filling applications and uploading documents, if you find any difficulty, you can approach us. Our team is there to help you. In the description box, I would be giving complete information regards to our website, or address, or phone number, or email ID. You can always approach us for your help. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.